Okay, so this is what I did. These points over here are the BRH points for that it was originally around Kirkland Urban. You notice, if I can turn this a little bit. Okay. Sorry, I'm supporting this on top of a theodolite, believe it or not. So I can try to get this. So basically these are the numbers that we did, and what I did is took the 2-point thing, took the merge and center off of all of it, so I made a single cell like these are here, drug it over to the point so you can see this. I made this equal, I don't know if you can see this or not. So I made this equal that, this one equals that, this one equals the next one down. So, and since I got it next to the big column, now if I can get this around, okay, looks like I got the majority of it in the picture. Sorry guys. And you make it turn to a black plus, double click, and voila. Have a good evening.